Hi everyone, welcome to my birthday vlog. It's actually Friday right now, and my birthday was on Monday, but it's better late than never to film this. Oh shit, you can tell that I was sitting like this. Anyways, so this Monday didn't turn out to be so good. I mean, my birthday was really good, but I had two midterm exams, four uni classes. Okay, I attended only three, but still, it's a lot, right? Yeah. So like, I had to wake up at 4:40 a.m. of course, and I got home at like 9 p.m. Long day. So in the morning, I don't really have time for anything. I just wake up, I take a shower, wash my hair, do my skincare, and that's it. I go straight to the bus stop. Hi, good morning. This will be my outfit for today. And please don't look at my weird decoration in the back. Thank you. I'm going to the bus stop right now. It's a little bit before 6 a.m. Yes, very early in the morning. But I love that it's already spring, so it's not complete darkness anymore. Right now I'm not wearing any makeup, but I packed some so I can do it at the university. I don't know. I will find some time for it. Usually I never wear makeup to school, but today is a special day. I surprised myself with a Starbucks drink. I never drink Starbucks because I found it way too expensive. But yeah, I bought some iced lavender matcha something. My first midterm exam turned out to be good actually. I reached I got 38 points out of 45, which is good because the teacher didn't really tell us what will be in the exam, and we were so scared. Like, it was hard. And after class, my parents took me to a nice restaurant. I chose that place, by the way, but still, it was so good to spend time with them, and we ate so much yummy food. So good. And after lunch, we went to West End, which is a mall really close to my uni. And we were just, let's say, shopping, but we didn't buy anything, so we were just walking around basically. Yeah, and I skipped a math class because I would rather spend time with my parents than sit in boring classes. But after that, I had an economics class where I also wrote the midterm exam. And honestly, that didn't turn out to be so good. I could have done better. So after the economics exam and class, I had a meeting with Isaac. And if you don't know, Isaac is the world's biggest youth organization. I'm a completely new member, by the way, so my definition of it might not be so good.
Isaac is the world's largest youth-led organization, and we are dedicated to providing young people with immersive, impactful intercultural exchange experiences. Isaac was founded after the Second World War, when a group of young people determined that cross-cultural understanding was essential to prevent similar conflicts and foster peace in the world.
And yes, that was my birthday. After the Isaac meeting, I went home. I arrived around 9 p.m. and I was so tired that I went to sleep almost immediately. And of course, the next day I had to wake up super early in the morning as well, so I didn't really get much sleep. Today is Friday, and tomorrow I will have a big birthday party. I mean, it's not big because there will be 6 or 7 of us, but for me it's huge because the most people I've ever had at a birthday party was like 2, and of course me and maybe my parents, and that's it. I'm going to meet 2 of my friends at a café, and after that we are going to a K-pop workshop. We are going to learn Lisa's new song, and after that we are going to the board game cafe where we meet my other friends. So yeah, we will play fun games. The original plan was bowling, but I didn't know that you have to book the alley like days or weeks before. So I had to change the plan last day. I'm sorry, guys. Remember that I said that there will be 6 or 7 people? Well, only 5 actually, but it's okay. I'm still glad that 4 people are coming with me. The cafe was really good. We went to Zoska. It was my first time there. My friend told me that she really loves the cafe, and now I understand why. It's so good. Please visit it if you can. We went to a K-pop workshop, and it was so cool. Like, I didn't work out in the past months or so, something like that, and it was so good to finally move my body.
Még egy ember szeretnék kérni, egy ember.
After the workshop, we went to the board game cafe with my friends. Yeah, we have played with the Mind and some word guessing game. I don't know its name, but it was fun and it was good to meet them and, introduce them to each other.